Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Shiftor. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to cook salmon teriyaki sauce, homemade. So nagawa lang ako ng aking teriyaki sauce, DIY. I-cut lang natin sa para mag-absorb yung sauce niya. Yan. So, lalagyan po natin siya ng aking homemade teriyaki sauce. Po ay soya sauce lamang at mirin, brown sugar at honey, and then black pepper. So, ipo-pour ko lang yan sa taas yan. So, this recipe is easy and simple. Just follow. And you can do it your own and cook to your family or children. So, yan po siya. So, easy, simple. So, yan po siya. Yan. And then lalagyan po natin siya ng black pepper sa taas. Ayan. Ayan. Simple. Basta may salmon kayo. Ayan. Tapos lalagyan ko ng brown sugar sa top niya. Para siya magandang kulay. Golden brown color. And then i-grill natin. Ayan. So that's ready for grill. So I have some spare sauce para mamaya extra ko siya mamaya. So once the salmon is ready, you can pour all the sauce on the top para hindi siya dry. At least meron kayong sauce. So I just put now in my oven. So that's 20 minutes. So ayan po siya. Just start caramelize. Just pour the sauce on the top. Then po ibagay in the oven. Para yung sauce niya is mag-absorb. Then put it back again in the oven. So now it's totally ready. Nice salmon teriyaki sauce. So I'm just going to pour the extra sauce. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes just to cook the sauce. So that's ready my salmon teriyaki sauce, homemade. So I'm gonna use the extra sauce. So I'm gonna put the sauce on the pot because I'm gonna put some thickness. Like this. So I'm gonna put some corn flour on the sauce for thickness. So corn flour. So I'm just going for 2 teaspoons. So just pour 2 teaspoons of corn flour, just for thickness only the sauce. So like this. So I'm gonna put it on the sauce. Okay, so that's a little bit, not too thick. Yeah, that's enough for me. So ayan guys, ready na ulit yung sauce ko. Ipapuro ko yan. Pour again to the sauce. So it's a little bit thickness. Because my kids still wanted more sauce for my teriyaki. So that's the sauce. There's plenty of sauce. Look at the sauce. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time for my next video. Thank you.